Hi. So I have been suffering from gynecomastia since last I could remember when I was in 10th class or so, and since then I was because technology coming in, and I had searched about gynecomastia well early in my life, and I tried almost everything possible. I went to doctors. I tried, testosterone capsules as well. I tried to exercise it out, but then it was not going. It was very tough. I did push-ups. I did almost everything, to get rid of this as soon as possible. But after then, I did my college. I tried compression vest, to look even better, my chest to look manly. But then it was just a temporary thing because at that point in time I could not even afford the surgery because I did not have to tell my parents about this. And so then I when I entered into corporate, then finally when I could realize that I can pull this off. And so I met Mr. Khare here, and I thought, and even after meeting him suggesting that it would be very easily gone, but the confidence in me was very weak for surgery because I have been suffering for this last 10 years. So I took almost a good 1 year to think about it, and then I went for surgery. But it went really well. Now I feel very confident. About my chest. It's almost as if it feels very good now. It's really good. पहले जैसा मतलब अब वो फील नहीं होता है कि एक बल्ज है, एंड आई कैन रियली गो टू बीचेस नाउ. अब मैं पूल जा सकता हूँ. टी शर्ट्स, राउंड नेक टी शर्ट्स विच है स्टॉप्ड वेयरिंग 9th-10th क्लास में, तो अब मैं वो पहन सकता हूँ हैप्पीली. आई एम वेरी हैप्पी अबाउट दैट. So I think that's really good to have this procedure done by Mr. Khare. So I'm really happy about this.